Hey guys, in this video, we're breaking down the 5 best RC remote control cars available right now. We've included options for every type of consumer. If you want more information on the best and most up-to-date pricing on the mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. Okay, so let's get started with the video. The first product on our list is the Forward 116 80 km/h super brushless 50 km/h brushed RC car. I opted for the brushless motor configuration, and I can honestly say it exceeded my expectations. The 12840 brushless motor doesn't just claim to reach 80 km/h, it actually delivers on that promise. The acceleration is genuinely impressive, especially considering this is a 1/16 scale vehicle. The proportional transmitter feels solid and responsive in my hands. The 262-foot range is more than adequate for most driving scenarios. I rarely needed to be closer than 100 feet from the truck. The 7.4 volts 1500 mAh battery provides about 12 to 15 minutes of runtime with mixed driving. While this might seem short, it's actually quite reasonable for a high-performance brushless setup. The key is having multiple batteries. I now own 4 batteries and can enjoy extended driving sessions with quick battery swaps. At number 2 is the Forward 116 80 km/h brushless RC Drift Car. The 2847-4000 kV brushless waterproof motor is the heart of this machine's performance. After weeks of use, I can confidently say it runs cooler and more efficiently than any brushed motor I've used. The waterproof design proved its worth during an unexpected encounter with a puddle. The car kept running without missing a beat. The dual 7.4 volt 1500 mAh battery system is brilliantly designed. Each battery delivers exactly what's promised, 25 plus minutes of runtime. Having 2 batteries means I can enjoy nearly an hour of continuous fun, with one charging while I use the other. The remote control system exceeded my expectations. The 394-foot plus range claim is accurate. I tested it extensively and never experienced signal loss within reasonable distances. The 2.4 GHz frequency provides crystal clear communication between the transmitter and receiver. At number 3 on our list is the WLtoys 104020 110 Professional RC Car. I've always believed that speed control separates serious RC vehicles from toys, and the 1104020 delivers admirably here. The dual-speed remote control system isn't just a gimmick, it's genuinely useful. The 2.4 GHz control system proved reliable throughout my testing. I never experienced glitching or interference, even when running multiple vehicles simultaneously. The range is adequate for most applications, though serious bashers might find themselves pushing the limits in very open spaces. The 7.4 volt 3000 mAh lithium battery deserves special mention. In my testing, I consistently achieved 40 to 45 minutes of mixed driving, which includes both crawling and higher speed runs. This runtime is genuinely impressive and eliminates the frustration of constant battery swaps during extended sessions. Moving up at number 4 is the Tigi ZLL SG116 MAX Pro 116 4x RC car. The brushless motor is where this car truly shines. I tested both the 40 km/h and 80 km/h modes extensively, and the difference is dramatic. In the lower speed setting, the car feels controlled and manageable, perfect for beginners or tight spaces. But switch to the max mode, and you're dealing with a completely different beast. The 4-wheel drive system proved its worth immediately. The Mode 2 controller feels familiar to anyone who's used modern RC equipment. The response is crisp and immediate, with no noticeable lag between input and action. The ergonomics are comfortable for extended use, though I did find my hands getting a bit tired during longer sessions. The 7.4 volt charging system via USB cable is convenient and modern. I appreciated not needing a separate charging dock or proprietary connector. Full charges typically took about 90 minutes, which I found reasonable given the performance and runtime. At number 5 is the Skymaker AE86 RC Drift Car. The LED lighting system deserves special mention. During my evening testing sessions, the integrated lights not only looked fantastic, but also provided practical visibility benefits. The lights aren't just decorative, they genuinely enhance the driving experience, especially when practicing precision maneuvers in dimmer conditions. The 2.4G remote control system has been absolutely reliable throughout my testing period. I've operated both controller modes, and the response time feels instantaneous. The lithium battery system with 7.4 volts charging voltage has proven to be one of the strongest aspects of this setup. Skymaker's claim of approximately 30 minutes runtime is refreshingly honest. I consistently achieve between 28 to 32 minutes of active driving time, depending on how aggressively I was driving. So, that's sums of today's video. We hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please leave a like on the video. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. Until next video, have a great day.